If you're looking for a more professional solution, we do have the ultrasonic bath. They do feature a cordless design, they are really easy to use, and you just need 4 AAA batteries to insert. You want to pour the provided cleaning solution to the line. It doesn't need that much. There you go. And then you just want to fill the remainder up with warm water. Now there is a second line here, so you know exactly where to stop. I'm just going to place my ring on the prong, and then we're just going to put the lid back on. Now, if your jewellery is really dirty, you can leave it in for 2 minutes. Otherwise, if it just needs a general overall clean, you can leave it in for 1. What you're then going to do is turn the machine on. So you just simply do this by turning the switch to the right. Now that my ring has been in there for 2 minutes, I'm just going to take this one out. Just gently take that off. Then what you want to do is you just want to rinse the ring just in some warm water again. Just to clean off all the residue. Then you're just going to grab a lint-free gold cleaning cloth. You're just going to give this one a polish. Make sure that you're getting right into the very back of the ring to make sure you're getting out all that water, as built up water can cause skin irritation. And that's how you use the ultrasonic bath. As you can see, my ring is nice and clean. You can find these products in store or online at shills.com.au.